Hello everyone! This is Cheryl again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy to make pizza. So, what we're going to use is our electric skillet, our Saladmaster machine, and for the ingredients I am going to use, I'm making a thin crust pizza, so this wrap, tomato paste or any tomato sauce, and some vegetable and of course cheese. So I got zucchini, carrots, mushroom, and capsicum. So first I'm going to prepare the base. By the way, if you want a thicker base, it's okay too. So I'm going to put the pizza sauce or tomato paste, and then I'll just spread it. Now let's prepare the cheese. Now this is a Saladmaster machine, and I'm going to use the smallest cone, which is the shredder, cone number 1. And it's always best to buy block cheese because grated cheese is more expensive. So, cone number 1, you save money if you use the machine, and you save your body from all those preservatives. If you want a bigger or longer cut, you can use cone number 2. So it is safe on the inside, safe on the outside. Or you can use a bigger cut, which is cone number 2. And this is the shredded cheese that you can actually buy from the shop, which costs you more money. Okay, now let's spread the cheese on top. Now let's put some vegetables. Let's start with zucchini, cone number 1, just a little bit. Carrots, don't put too much, otherwise the pizza will be too moist because of the moisture of the vegetable. Alright, now let's put the mushroom. Mushroom, I always buy button mushroom because I want it to be freshly cut. Cone number 4, hold it like that. Now let's use some capsicum, and I'll use cone number 4. Of course, it has to be fresh, so you can easily cut it. Then we'll add some cheese on the top. And now let's cook the pizza using my electric skillet. The best thing about Saladmaster, you don't need to preheat. So it's a cold cookware. There's nothing in there, just put the pizza in. Now set the temperature at 190 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, your pizza is done, which is better than using the oven because number 1, the oven you have to preheat for about 10 minutes, then you cook the pizza for 20 minutes. So 30 minutes cooking in a very big cavity that uses a lot of energy. This one, 10 minutes, done, no preheating. Number 2, your oven you cannot bring anywhere, but this you can bring and travel with it, like long drive or camping. So you save a lot of energy, save a lot of money, and you save your time, most importantly. So this is a very good investment for your family. After 10 minutes, this is how it looked like. Ta-da! Look at the color of the vegetable, particularly the capsicum. Color is vitamin, so that's how you know if your vegetable has still that maximum nutrition. If you cook at home, you save money rather than buying outside. Plus, if your children see you cooking, they will be more motivated to cook and they will learn how to cook. So cook more at home. Now here's the finished product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to know more. Bye!